What's the meaning of checks and balances? Checks and balances. Checks and balances.
Checks and balances. Checks and balances. Checks and balances refers to the system of distributing power within a government in order to prevent any one branch from becoming too powerful or abusing their authority. This system ensures that each branch, such as the executive, legislative, and judicial, can limit the power of the others through various mechanisms, such as veto power, the ability to impeach officials, and judicial review. The result of checks and balances is a more stable and balanced government that can prevent abuse of power and promote democracy.